Hi students, we are trying to find the square root of this number. So there are two methods for that. First is prime factorization method. Second is long division method to find the square root. Now looking at this number is big, so long division is a better method. But are we going to use that? No, we are going to use algebra creatively to find the root. This will be our rough work or the logic or the math rules I'm going to apply. Now students, let's start solving. So first, look at this number. It's not related to the problem. It's just a number I have taken, 8956. Can I write it 89? After that, two digits, so two zeros. That after that, we have five single time, but I can write it 55 plus one, so that becomes 56. Correct. The same logic I'm going to use to write the step one of the solving. We have 5 times 1. After that, we have 5 digits. So I will write that as 5 times 1. And after 5 times 1, how many digits we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 digits. So I'm going to write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. And then I have 5 times 5. No, 4 times. But I can write it 5 times 5 plus 1, like I did 55 plus 1 in the rough part. Now, students, you know what is 200? It is 2 into 10 raised to the power 2. What is 3000? It is 3 into 10 raised to the power 3. Same logic, I'm going to write it 5 times 1 into 10 raised to the power 5, correct? And 5 times 5 can be written as 5 into 5 times 1. Now, students, what exactly I'm trying to achieve in this type of problem, I'm going to create the pattern of 5 times 1. Now, students, let's look at the rough part. Now, we know 100, 10 square is 99 plus 1. 99 is 9 into 11 plus 1. So I can write 10 square as 9 into 11 plus 1. So if I ask you 1000 is what, students? 9 into triple 1 plus 1. That is triple 9 plus 1. Same way, I can write for 10 raised to the power 5. And let's write the step 3 now. So 10 raised to the power 5 will be how much? Let's write 5 times 5 first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then this 10 raised to the power 5 can be written as 9 into 5 times 1 plus 1, correct? With the same logic I have just explained you. Then we have 5, sorry. Then this whole thing plus 5 into 5 times 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this whole plus 1, all inside the root. Now, students, if you look at the step 3, we have created everywhere 5 times 1. So I'm going to replace that 5 times 1 with x. And you will see something happening in a while. See here, students. So wherever you have 5 times 1, you're going to write x. So this is x into 9 into x will be 9x plus 1. And 5 into x will be 5x plus 1, correct? Now, let's simplify it a little. Step 5. X into 9x is what, students? 9x square. Then you have x into 1, that is x, and then you have 5x plus 1. So students, you can combine x and 5x. It becomes step 6. 9x square plus 6x plus 1. Now, students, let's solve it further. See here. Look at this part, students. Look at this part that we know 3x plus 1 whole square is 9x square plus 6x plus 1. So this will be nothing but square root of 3x plus 1 whole square. What will come outside, students? Root of m square is m. So 3x plus 1 is your answer. And what was x, students? X was 5 times 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, plus 1. And this will be 5 times 3, but plus 1, so it becomes 4. So students, this is our answer. Now, I have a small challenge for you, students. So, you have to use the same logic if you understood that you have to find the square root of this number. 5 times 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4 times 8, and then you have 9. So, students, do share me your answer. That's all, students. Bye bye.